Hi, I'm David Rindy, CFO at Under the Radar. UTR is a company developing a cutting-edge solution to insider threats. How can companies protect themselves from an insider leaking, stealing, or damaging sensitive data? Traditional endpoint security is good at keeping hackers out. But what do you do when the threat is already on the inside? The answer is prediction. Using UTR's technology, companies can now predict ahead of time that a specific person within the organization poses a severe security risk. By combining advanced machine learning techniques to analyze user behavior and integrating this analysis with external information, UTR can risk score threats to reduce false positives and increase the accuracy of your prediction. Why is a predictive solution right for you? Industry experts estimate the cost of insider threats to be in the millions annually, leaving aside the damage done to your company's reputation. Can you afford not to protect yourself and your organization's data? You wouldn't leave your data unprotected from hackers. Don't leave it unprotected from insiders. Contact UTR to find out more about our unique predictive solution on the web at utrsectech.com.